You, automotive aesthetics professional, have surely had this question. Can I apply wax on a factory matte vehicle or even a matte wrap? Of course you can. And for that, we developed D-Wax Dub Boyz Hybrid Liquid Wax. I'll show you how easy it is. A microfiber from Dub Boyz, the best on the market, the liquid D-Wax. Spray it on your microfiber and apply it evenly. Remember to cover all areas. Turn your microfiber and give the final touch. That's it, folks. D-Wax applied, and now for the final recommendations. For those still in doubt, our wax will not change the structure of this surface, especially if it's the paint or wrapping. It will simply enhance the color and provide a barrier against dirt and moisture. Hey, are you enjoying these videos? Keep following Dub on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.